Hello, people. It's nice to be here again. This is Crypto Talk, and I'm Edwin. In response to my last video on CEX.io, I'm making this video to quickly put us through and walk us on how we can create our CEX.io app. The CEX.io app is a app where we are going to withdraw our potential airdrop by the CEXP coins that we are mining on the CEX app. So I want to quickly show us what the CEX.io app looks like first before we go into how we can get our own install and see our CEXP reflected on it automatically. So let's go there and see how the CEX app actually looks like. Right here we can see some couple of other exchanges app, but this particular one right here is the CEX.io app. And before we launch this app, let's go back to the Telegram bot and see how we can get this app on our phone the right way and be able to see all the potential airdrops that we are mining currently on the Telegram bot reflected on this app. We're going to demonstrate it. And if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and leave your thoughts in the comment section, for this is very important to us. Please and please do not forget to subscribe. Help my new channel grow. This is Crypto Talk. We all are eligible to speak our mind on crypto and make money together. All right, let's please quickly go to the Telegram bot. Now on this Telegram bot, we are going to launch the app and see how the bots look like and look at some few things and why it is necessary for us to create the CEX.io app. Now, for clarity's sake, I want us to still look at this power. Let me amplify it by clicking mine. And now this is exactly power we're talking about. It's daily display here, and we are having 32,552,727 CEXP. And the potential airdrop that we are looking to mine from this Telegram bot is this. Now, the reason for creating this video is to have exactly this point reflected on the CEX app, which is used for all crypto trading, for holding our crypto, for staking, and all of what can be done on an exchange app. But remember that CEX.io is an exchange that has been established with the trade, so this airdrop is very crucial because the airdrop is actually the native coin. So I don't want to play with it. Personally, I want to give it a shot because nobody knows what the trend of the market is going to be in the future. So to start properly, we actually want to launch our tax section, because if we want to properly create the CEX app, so that it will be synchronized with our Telegram bot, we go through the tax section, and that is why we are using this method. Otherwise, I've had it already installed, but the best way, if you have not installed the CEX.io app, is to use the Telegram bot in order to get it installed on your phone. Now, after getting to the tax section, right now, if you can look at my tax, there is no tax that actually is asking me to create the CEX.io app, however, because I have done that previously. However, if you are like me, you need to watch carefully and see what I'm going to do. However, if you have not yet created your app, well, it will be very easier for you to navigate downward and you'll see the CEX.io app tax so that you can create yours. Now, since I've created, I'm going to go to the completed tax to search for it out so that I can walk you through on how you can create your own CEX.io app, or otherwise known as the trading app or the exchanges app. All right, so we'll look at this particular section. This green actually says register in CEX.io app. So this is a very task that you have to complete in order to have CEX.io app installed on your phone. So we're going to click it. Though I have done it before, as you can see here, shows done. However, if I'm using a new phone and I want the CEX.io app to reflect, or if I install it directly and it's not reflecting my potential airdrop on that app, what I'm going to do is that I will delete it on my phone and come back to this task and do it like this all again. That is, if you have done it before. But if you haven't done it before and you want the app to reflect all the points that you are mining, you go this way. So you click the tax. No, it has said done, right? However, there is still a link for us to follow and get it installed. So we click the link, and the link will open up to our app store. Either we are using Android, in that case it's going to take us to Google Play Store, and if we're using an iPhone, it will take us to the iOS store. However, there is no space for me to install here because I've already have it installed. So I'm going to launch it directly, and it will take us to the CEX.io app directly installed on my phone. Now, I'm going to quickly want to show us something that makes installing this app very important. When I click to close this page, when you come here, you just click here. If we look at this portion very closely, we see that it's coming soon. So I strongly believe that the snapshot has been completed. When it gets to TGE, we're going to use the app to claim our CEXP points. So I will strongly advise, if you downloaded the app, you have to get it downloaded. Now, after downloading the app, there's 6-second step for you to take, and that step is for us to actually get self-verify on this app. So you come to this points and click on verification. So as you can see, the verification process is like this. So I have done the stage 1 verification, I've done the stage 2 verification, on the stage 3 verification. That is up to me, because I can wish to do that if I actually want to trade a large volume of crypto or assets in the future. So that is not a big deal for now, but the most appropriate verification to be done in order to get yourself started is the stage 1 and stage 2 verification. And after you've done the stage 1 and stage 2 verification, you will automatically going to be seeing your CEXP point reflecting exactly on the CEX app. So let us do our Telegram bot. So we have seen our CEXP point being displayed here, and going back to the Telegram bot now. Yeah, so after doing that, we can have our CEX.io reflected exactly on the Telegram bot, and we can also confirm. We want to confirm again, yet again, the same CEXP that is being displayed on the CEX.io app. So guys, there's much we can take, and I hope this video be of immense importance and benefit to you. If it does, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us hear from you by leaving your thoughts in the comment section, and please share to your friends, and meet you again in the next video. Thanks.